Hello, teacher and companions. My name is Tania Saldarriaga, agronomy student in SEAT Medellin. I will make my presentation of the video of the Unit 2. Stage 1. Going on a trip 1. Last weekend I went to Jardín, Antioquia, to mountain bike for 2 hours. I went with my father, my mother, and my 2 brothers. During the visit, we saw landscapes, birds, rivers, plants, and trees. We arrived at the rural area without any cost. I liked because it was cheap and the cold, bright, fresh air. We also had family time and exercise at the same time. What can you do in the Jardín Antioquia? Rappel, parapet, bicycle. Stage 2. What's the weather like? The weather in Jardín is cool. In the morning is freezing and the day is sunny finally. During the night is cloudy. I recommend leaving early in the morning and staying overnight. Stage 3. You should keep your passport. 3 things should make when planning a trip abroad. Pack clothes. Carry a passport. Know the language. 3 things should make when planning a trip abroad. Have little money. Forget the documents. Neglecting suitcase. And during the walks, you should wear a cap and sunscreen. You must reserve a hotel room. Carry your personal documents. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.